Commercio.network's interoperability, what it is and how to use it for seamless token transfer between chains. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. In the world of blockchain, interoperability is a critical concept that refers to the ability of different blockchain networks to interact and communicate with each other. Interoperability allows for seamless token transfer between different blockchain networks, making it easier for businesses to conduct transactions across multiple networks. Commercio.network is a blockchain platform that offers a wide range of services, including identity management, payment solutions, signature solutions, and interoperability. In this tutorial, we will explain how businesses can use Commercio.network's interoperability to conduct seamless token transfer. Commercio.network's interoperability solution is designed to provide businesses with a way to conduct token transfer across different blockchain networks. The platform's interoperability solution is based on the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) protocol, which is a standard protocol that enables different blockchain networks to communicate with each other. The IBC protocol allows for secure and reliable token transfer between different blockchain networks, making it an ideal solution for businesses that need to conduct transactions across multiple networks. One of the main advantages of Commercio.network's interoperability solution is that it provides businesses with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to conduct token transfer. The solution supports various token types and Commercio.network's own crypto. This makes it easy for businesses to choose the token type that works best for them. Moreover, the solution is designed to integrate seamlessly with existing systems, making it easy for businesses to integrate the solution into their existing workflows. The solution eliminates the need for businesses to invest in expensive token transfer solutions, which can be time-consuming and costly. Instead, the solution provides businesses with an efficient and automated way to conduct token transfer across different blockchain networks. This can help businesses save time and money, enabling them to focus on other important aspects of their operations. Commercio.network's interoperability solution is also designed to provide businesses with transparency and traceability. The solution provides businesses with real-time tracking and monitoring of token transfer transactions, making it easy to track token transfer and ensure that they are processed correctly. This can help businesses improve their efficiency in token transfer processing. Moreover, the interoperability solution can help businesses expand their reach and access to new markets. By conducting token transfer across different blockchain networks, businesses can reach new customers and expand their customer base. This can help businesses grow their revenue and increase their profitability in the. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.